here to talk about the new 2017 Ford Escape. And this year it changed the front. So you have a redesigned front with the new grille, arrow-shaped fog lights. You have HID headlamps with cornering lights. So they'll be brighter, the driver will have better visibility, and the direction that the vehicle is turning, you will have light there. The Escape also has these turn signals are LED. It has the blind spot detector on your mirror, so when you're driving and you have a vehicle in your blind spot, it'll light up and you will see you have somebody on your side, so you cannot change your line. And also, if you're passing and you want to go back to your line, it'll blink to let you know you're still too close to the vehicle behind you, so you don't do it. The Ford Escape has three different engines, and it's the 2.5 IVCT, the 1.5 liter EcoBoost, and the 2.0 liter EcoBoost. This last engine has a max towing capability of 3,500 pounds, and the Escape is standard on front-wheel drive, but the four-wheel drive it's available, and it's an intelligent four-wheel drive. The system will continuously be monitoring your traction and make sure that there's no wheel slipping, and if it needs more traction on any of the wheels, it'll send it immediately without the driver doing anything. That's why it's intelligent. You don't have to turn a knob or flip a switch or do anything. Also, the Escape has this pretty cool feature that is hands-free power lifting. So you go like that if you have your hands full, as long as you have the key fob with you, and it'll open the trunk. The Escape has better cargo space than any of the competitors on its class, and with the flexibility of the split folding seat in the back, you can have it however you need it for more room. So it has 68 cubic foot from the first row to the back and 34 from the middle to the back. And this is power, so you can push that button and it'll close right there. Also, it has intelligent access. If you push right here, it'll lock the vehicle. If you hold the handle like that, it'll unlock it for you. It also has the keypad, so we can set a code, personalized a code for the customer, and if you need to go swimming, hiking, then you can leave the key in the vehicle and just come back and open with your own code and you're good to go. Also, on the Escapes, they have the enhanced park assist, so it'll basically go into the parking spot for the customer, but you're always in charge of the gas and the brake pedal and the gears. But the vehicle will steer the wheel for you and you don't have to touch it. If you do, it'll delete everything and you have to start all over again. They also offer the heated steering wheel, which is very nice for the winter. It's a comfort feature for the customer. The Escape, it's been redesigned in the interior and it has more room, and the gear shift knob, it's been moved from the center of the console to down here. It creates a more open space. It also has Sync 3 with Sync Connect. On Sync 3 you have your voice commands, so you can make phone calls, you can answer your text messages from the screen, you can access the navigation when it's equipped, you can access your radio, your phone, and the text messages as well. You can see them from there, have all the information from your radio. With Sync Connect, you can access your vehicle from your cell phone. So once it's paired and everything is set, you can open and close the vehicle from your cell phone. You can see how much gas it has, how many miles it has. You can also start the vehicle if you are in a restaurant and you know you're leaving in 5 or 10 minutes and you want the vehicle to be ready. You can just start it from your cell phone, and when you go out, it's ready for you. It also has the adaptive cruise control, and it's very easy to use. You only have to set the gap between the vehicle in front of you, and if for some reason that vehicle slows down, you don't have to brake or do anything. It'll automatically slow down and keep the same gap between the vehicles. Um, Also, the Escape has this feature that it's called Apple CarPlay, and that is for the iPhones. For the Androids, it's called Android Auto. The iPhones, you have to plug the vehicle through the USB port, and you basically can access your phone from the screen, like the maps. You can see your contacts, your calls. You can see the music that you have stored in your phone. You can access apps from your phone, like Pandora. And those are the features of the Escape. Let's now talk about the Ford Fusion, and it's here on this side. It also has a new redesigned front with the dual design headlamps. They're also LED, so the driver will have also better visibility. LED um, signal lights. It also has a blind spot detector where it'll light up and tell you the vehicle is on your side. And if you have to go back to the line, it'll blink to tell you you're still too close to the vehicle. Also, the back has been redesigned, and it has LED tail lights. It has more room now in the cargo space, and the Fusion also has the intelligent access where you can hold the handle and it'll unlock and lock when you tap the corner of the handle. And the Fusion comes in 5 different models, which is the S, SE, the Titanium, and the new Platinum and Sport. It has 4 gas engines, and it's the 2.5 IDCT, 1.5 liter EcoBoost, 2.0 liter EcoBoost, and the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost. And this engine is standard on Sport, and it's always all-wheel drive. Let's see inside. The Fusion also has the adaptive cruise control, like the Escape, and this is a pretty cool safety feature. So once you have set your gap between the vehicles, it'll do the same thing, stop, or I mean slow down if a vehicle in front of you slows down. But if there's someone crossing the street and the driver is not looking forward, then the vehicle will brake automatically to avoid or reduce the impact of the collision. And that it's called pedestrian detection. The Ford Fusion also has Sync 3 with Sync Connect, and it's pretty easy to use. You can find your navigation there, you can access your radio, your phone. With the voice commands, you can make your phone calls and do many things. With the Sync Connect with Ford Pass is a new application from Ford, and once you have that on your phone, you can access your vehicle and locate it, start the vehicle, unlock it, lock it, see how many miles you have on it, and like I said, if you're ready to go and you want to have the vehicle ready if it's very cold, you can just start it and walk out there and your car will be ready. This part is also redesigned for the Ford Fusions. They removed the traditional gear shift knob for this rotary gear shift dial, and it's very easy to use. You just have to turn it, and that's it. And I think those are all the features for the Fusion.